So today we're going to be focusing on course creation at IBL Education. And the two things that we are going to focus on underneath this are instructional design and video production. So primarily we have backwards course design. So the first thing that we're going to do is determine what content is to be taught, and then following that, how the content is to be taught. So the instructional design philosophy that we use at IBL Education is called ADDIE, which stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation, which I'm going to go over briefly in the next few slides. So in the analysis phase, we really go over the course goals. So these are the learning goals, what we want our students to understand when they are finished with the course. We focus on the target audience, and we make assumptions of what we think the learners are already going to know when they come into the course. We focus on the time frame, which is how long we have to produce the course, and the available resources. So the next stage is the design phase, and this is where we really focus on structure and content, and we have a top-down approach. So we have our high-level course outline, which really goes over the big picture structure of our courses. We then have a low-level course outline, which really breaks apart our big outline into digestible pieces. So this is where we focus on shorter videos and modules to really increase learner engagement. In the development phase, we focus on four things: course access, video production, software integration, and platform deployment. The implementation phase is where we focus on a pilot course, where we ensure that we have quality and effectiveness of our course content. We also focus on instructor training, which is where we make sure that the instructor knows how to use Studio, which is our course authoring tool, is comfortable with grading and utilizing discussions, as well as contacting students and other admins, and insights analytics. Lastly, we have evaluation, which is where we review the course. So we want to make sure that we review course learning objectives, surveys, performance, and its insights analytics. And if there is any revision, we will take care of that. So now we're going to go into a very brief description of how the video production timeline works at IBL Studios. So in the pre-production phase, we want to make sure that we focus on what we just talked about in terms of instructional design, as you can see with the slides, course location, the format, and the length of our videos. So the production, we use real-time technology, which negates any post-production stress.